Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Imagine giving your L-shaped sofa a fresh new look without the need for expensive reupholstery or purchasing a brand new couch. L-shaped sofa covers offer a quick and affordable solution to transform your sofa's appearance and breathe new life into your space. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of L-shaped sofa covers on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. KinCam L-shaped sofa cover are made of high-quality 100% waterproof polyester, which inner layer is filled with cotton. Feel very cool to touch, comfortable and durable. It's suitable for most of the sectional couch. Good choice for furniture protector. Sectional couch cover can protect your sofa furniture from scratch, dust, dirt or pet hair. The waterproof design of the sofa cover keeps liquids from getting your sofa wet and gives your old sofa a new look. It is ideal for homes with children and pets. A variety of colors to suit your home style. This sectional couch covers are suitable for both left and right shays. KinCam L-shaped sofa cover come with 3 pieces cover, one for the main sofa and the other 2 for the shays. Please measure the size of your sofa before purchase. Follow the instructions to make sure that our sectional sofa covers can match your sofa. Easy to fit for your sofa with our user manual. Just drape the furniture with our covers, tuck the excess fabric into the gap between the back and couch cushion, then insert the non-slip foam sticks into the gap to make it not easy to slide. Use the elastic straps secure the slipcover stay in place firmly. Number 2. TAOCOCO L-shaped sofa cover is crafted from a high-quality polyester blend that is light, soft, breathable, and durable. The elastic nature of the fabric allows it to stretch easily, ensuring a comfortable fit on most sectional couch. 3 seaters plus 3 seaters for sectional sofa, each length between 71-91. This L-shaped sofa cover consists of 2 pieces. One for the shays and the other is the main sofa. Follow the information about the measurement guide. Before making a purchase, it is important to follow the measurement guide to ensure a perfect fit for your furniture. The stretch fabric will conform to every corner of your sectional couch cover, including the arms, with highly fitted seam details. Adjust and fasten the tie rope at the bottom according to the size of the actual sofa. Choosing whether to use the foam sticks to secure and organize the sectional sofa. TAOCOCO sectional couch cover is easy to clean and maintain, making it the perfect solution for protecting your furniture from accidental spills or dirt, making it an ideal choice for homes with kids and pets. It can be hand washed or machine washed at a temperature around 30 degrees Celsius using mild laundry detergent. Please do not bleach or iron the cover. Number 3. KinCam L-shaped sofa cover are made of high-quality 88% polyester, 12% spandex, feel soft and comfortable, durable, and give your skin the delicate touch. It's suitable for most of the sectional couch due to its high stretchability and the resistance to wear. R. Hand wash or machine washable. Wash at a temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. Full protect your furniture sofa. Sectional couch cover can 360-degree protect your sofa furniture from scratch, dust, dirt or pet hair. And gives your old sofa a new look. It is ideal for homes with children and pets. A variety of colors to suit your home style. L-shaped combined design 3 seaters plus 3 seaters L-shaped couch covers for sofa length between 71-91. KinCam L-shaped sofa cover come with 2 pieces cover, one for the shays and the other one for the main sofa. Hand wash or machine washable. Wash at a temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. Do not bleach. Do not iron. Number 4. High-quality fabric polyester 95% plus spandex 5%, soft touch and good elasticity. The real universal design and stretchable elastic fabric make our sectional cover suitable for most L-shaped sofa types. And comfortable, skin-friendly and durable, non-pilling, non-fading, breathable fabric for year-round use. Fabrics are silky smooth and therefore size for L-shaped sectional couch. This item has 2 pieces 3-seater plus 3-seater L-shaped couch cover for corner or L-shaped sofa. Both of them are in the same size. It is fit no matter the chaise long is located on the left or right side. Applicable dimension: 1 piece for main sofa length, 71 inches to 90 inches and another for chaise length, 71 to 90 inches. Furniture protector. This L-shaped sofa slipcover is stretchable, anti-wrinkle, anti-bite and easy to install. The sofa furniture protectors not only protects your sofa furniture daily wears and tears, kids, scratches from pets, dogs or accidental spills, it also transform your old sofa or protect your new one. Easy to install and clean. Easy to install with the user manual. Tuck the excess fabric into the gap between the back and sitting cushions to make it neater without any wrinkles.
Number 5.